Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the profile card block to create beautiful author profile cards in Gutenberg. The profile card block is one of the most creative features of WordPress that lets you display team members, authors, celebrity profiles, and business profiles in a compact box-shaped grid. With it, you can create lots of cool introductions to your profiles on your landing pages. What's cool about the ZoloBlocks profile card feature is that you can display custom badges and custom status, along with author name, username, email, short bio, buttons, and social profiles. On top of that, you get to customize everything down to the T. Sounds interesting? Let's dig deeper. Starting with your landing page, you can click on an empty block space, then search for the profile card block, and click once again to insert. On the screen, the default appearance of the profile card has been loaded. There's a complete author profile along with custom stats and social links. However, if you want, you can change the layout style with the preset option. Right now, the block provides 2 presets. Soon, more will come. Note that preset 2 is available in the Pro version. Then again, the block also provides buttons to show or hide display elements. So in case you want to hide username or something, you can do that by turning off the corresponding button. Now, customizing the profile information can be done through the content section. Here, you can customize the badge text, profile image, and image resolution. Also, you can edit the name, username or designation, email, and bio. Additionally, the profile card block also gives you custom status options. There are 3 of them, and you can choose your own content for each status, precisely the label and the number. That goes for all 3 custom statuses. On top of that, you can customize and display a dedicated CTA button on the profile card with custom text and link. You may use it to let your audience follow certain authors or members. Not to mention, the profile card block lets you customize and display social profiles of the authors. In this part, there's no limit on how many social links you can onboard. So if you want, you can add any number of social profiles, customize their titles, icons, and links to complete. The block features so much flexibility that it's easier to do all of these in mere minutes. Okay, the layout is good to go. What's next? Now, if you want to personalize the profile card to suit your own unique style, you can switch to the Style tab for this job. Now, you can choose to start with the first section here, which gives you a border radius, padding, and background color option to customize the header area. So, if you want, you can curve the edges of the header corners with the radius control like this. Yes, you may unlink to customize each field separately. Usually, you might want to edit the padding to add or subtract space around any content. And if you want to have a different shade for the header, the background option comes in handy. The option provides for both a single color as well as a gradient. So, you can choose yourself. The header is good. How about the badge in the header? Yes, you can customize it from the header badge section as well. And for the options, it starts with a typography adjustment. If you want to style any font on your profile card, typography lets you do that. So here, you can edit the font, family, size, weight, spacing, decoration, etc. It's a combined feature, so take your time to make the font awesome. Then again, there's a border around the badge by default. And you can choose to customize that under the border option. You can choose a border type, the total border width, and its color. You might touch up the border radius option to match the curves with the header area. The options also extend to the badge text background color. You can choose to edit those to highlight the badge. Now, what if you want to change the content background? The largest area under header? Of course, yes, you can customize it under the content area section. The option can be found at the top most position. Not only that, but you will also be able to customize the border radius, padding, and margin of the content area. Sounds awesome, right? And it's doable with ZoloBlocks. Additionally, you will have a dedicated section for image customization. Here, you can choose to adjust the image size, change the vertical offset values, as well as add a border and border radius. Suit yourself what you want to do here. The same goes for the profile name. Yes, you can customize the name color, typography, and margin. Don't get surprised, but the same options also applies for the username section, so you can be at ease when customizing them. Then again, if you want to have similar customization done to the email, the options can be found similar once again. So, you are free to edit the text color and font style. Then what about the author bio? Same options for customizations, so feel at ease. Also, the same options are available for the custom status number and label. That means you can choose to change the font styles and colors. Oh, did you know that you can go even further? We mean, you can also customize the follow button through the options. There's options such as typography, color, background color, border, border radius, padding, etc. And if you want to add interactivity to your button, the hover options will help to create hover effects. Not just that, you can also play with the social profile options to personalize their style. You can find an icon size and spacing option here. There are familiar options available as well, so you can take the benefits easily. Those include the color options for normal and hover mode, so you can choose to make those social icons interactive as well. If you feel it's awesome enough, you can display the profile card to your visitors right away. There are ready patterns available to help you kickstart creative designs as well. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!